Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I am RK. In our previous video, we saw about tuples and how to use them. And now we will see about list and how to use them. Tuple and list are almost same. We can do almost anything that we can do with tuple, but except one thing. In tuple, once you created a value in a variable, you can't change it. But in list, you can change a value and remove a value and also add, and whatever you need, you can do it. Let's see what is list using some example. Let's open our IDLE. Let's create a variable to assign list values A, B, C, and E, F, G. Here it is a list. Lists are always enclosed with a square brackets, like tuples are enclosed using the parentheses. In the example 1, 3 values ABC, EFG and IJK. Let's display the value. Here we got it. In tuple, by using the index value, we fetched only the value that we need, and we can also do it in the list. Sample 1 of value 2. Here you can see index number of 2 is IJK. Let's try to change the value, like example 1 of 2 is equal to something like XYZ. It's accepted. Let's try to display the value. Yes, here you can see that the index number of 0 of example 1 is as the same, and index number of 1 is also same. But before changing the value of index 2, the value is IJK. But after we try to assign XYZ to index number 2, the value has been changed. This shows that if you need to change a value in a list, you can do it. Let's try to add the value in the list. First, we need to write the variable dot append. This append is used to add a value to a variable at the end. Let me show you. Here we have ABC, EFG, XYZ. Let's try to add MNO. Here it is. Let's try to display the value. If we need to add a value at middle of the list, we can use insert. Example 1 dot insert. Here we need to give the index number at which place we need to add the value. Here I am giving the index value of 1, comma, and we need to give the value that we need to add. I am giving the value as alpha. Let's close it. Here you can see that index number of 0 is ABC, but index number of 1 is changed to alpha, and EFG is moved to index value 2, and XY is as 3. If we need to empty the value in a list variable, we can use the clear. We no need to give any value in the parentheses. Let's display the value. The list is empty. Let's create another variable as apple, banana, cat and duck. If we need to remove a particular value, we can use remove to remove a value. dot ring. Here we need to give what value we need to remove. Here I am removing cat. Let's display the value. Yes, cat is removed. In tuple we have deleted a variable. Let's do it again here. Here the variable is deleted. If we need to delete a particular value, we can also use the same method. Let me show you. Let's give the index number. Here is 1. Let's display it. Here the value of index number 1 is banana. It's gone. In list we can arrange the values in the list in an order. Let's create a new variable with only numbers. Here we given the random numbers as 5, 9, 1, 8, 3, and there is no proper arrangement in the list. Let's arrange it. Dot sort. This will arrange the values from lower to bigger, like ascending order. Let's display it again. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if we need to remove a value at end of the list, we can use the pop function. Let's enter the variable again and use the pop. This will remove the value at the end of the list. Let's enter it. Here you can see the value at the end is 9. The value has been displayed and also it is removed from the list. Let's display it again. Here you see it. 9 has been removed. These are the things that is different from list and tuple, and these things that you can't do it in the tuple but you can do it in list. So see you in the next video. Bye.